Hey guys, so this is a vlog of our weekend because we're at a campground, and this is Maggie, this is my cousin Mariah. Sorry.
So this is tanning lotion.
What we're about to do is go swimming.
swimming.
This is my swim top.
Let me make sure
this is
Maggie's.
they're all mine. It's Timberlake.
Because today is her birthday. And yeah,
And see you next time.
bye.
Hey guys, so we're at the pool.
Yeah, we've been swimming for a while. Me and Mariah are like tanning now. And then Maggie just got out the pool to come be in the video. So yeah, it's pretty fun. Like this is, and yeah, so look at my top. I'm getting bullied.
You guys gonna leave?
Hey.
So we're leaving the pool.
We're leaving the pool as she said. Going back to the cabin.
Do you want to be in our vlog? All right. I guess
We all
you
look
don't wanna be
stupid.
in a vlog.
Oh shoot, my leg. Okay, there's a park here.
And I hope
That's
we can
the pool
rent a
back
golf
there.
cart. Okay. So we just got done at the pool. We changed our outfits.
So
we have
yeah,
to
we're about to go.
wait. I'm just gonna wear this. Yeah, that's
Of course.
Hold on, I need some.
It's right here.
Stop doing that. Just
Look at
Oh, hey.
I'm getting abused on camera.
Is that our golf cart?
No, those are old people.
Oh, those are the. Okay. One. Are you jumping in? No. Stop. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine.
Okay. Welcome. Hi. So, right now we're walking.
Right now we're taking a walk because we haven't done that yet. We've been to the volleyball court. We're gonna wake up at a good time, go swimming, take pictures, and we're doing s'mores tonight.
Hey guys, so right now we're vlogging, I guess,
And there's this one boy that looks gay,
but we don't know where he went, so we can't ask him if he's gay. All right, guys, see you in the next clip.
We're not gonna get any. I'm just gonna watch. Hey guys,
Good
welcome to
morning.
our vlog again. We're gonna wear our tube tops today.
and we're about to eat.
I gotta find
The
her
bacon's
first.
almost done.
In this big old bag.
And then the bacon is done. We're working on the eggs right now.
Got a big old.
I kind of want to wear this shirt though, like really bad.
You can wear that tomorrow. Or later today.
So we're all looking a little busted right now.
Oh, found it.
Hey,
That's
hey, hey.
greasy.
Let me see it. Wait, let me feel it. Is it from American Eagle? Oh yeah, because I was like, oh yeah, mine's from there too.
American Eagle. It says medium because it's my sister.
Mine's a medium too. They all fit. They fit Ariana too. Don't they? Wait, what
Look,
are
my
you gonna
bag
wear?
lid is sticking up.
Do you have two bralettes?
No, I only have one. I have a blue one, but it's my sister's and I didn't bring it. Because I didn't have anything to wear with.
Wait, what are you gonna wear?
Wait, give me the balloon over there, please.
I don't know. Just let my lips show.
Yeah,
Wait,
'cause
I'm
we
gonna
all
say
look bad.
something. Oh, well, that didn't work.
What were you trying to do?
I wanted it to be clear so you guys were red.
We're gonna be red after today.
I know. I want to be
I already
outside
go
all day.
swimming. You guys don't get up and
Oh my god, I hate.
I'm waiting till my swimsuit gets here.
My bug bite is on my head.
So
Don't think I have
12:30?
one.
It's life.
Yeah, 12:30.
Yeah.
And the pool party's at 12.
Okay.
The pool party's gonna. The pool's gonna be packed.
I know, but I don't want to swim yet.
I don't know how to like put my bralette on right now without like
Go in the bathroom.
flashing you guys, and I don't want to get up.
Wait, do you have a bra on?
Yes.
Then just try it on.
Or just tell Eddie to go.
Oh, are we vlogging right now?
Yeah. So we just played bingo.
Hi
Like
guys.
in like that building right there.
Hi guys.
Oh, I was like, who's walking behind us?
us?
Addie was 2 away.
I was like 4. To a blackout. I was almost.
Everybody was getting so excited over everything.
Wait, we should go back and swim still.
I want to do the paddle boating.
Oh yeah, that.
I need to eat.
Oh, there's a thing in my.
I want to like get like something to eat and then go paddle boat.
Yeah, that's what
I'm
you're-
gonna have Shell's mac and cheese.
Are you still vlogging, Ariana?
Oh, fuck.
Hi guys. My Snapchat will be linked in the description below.
Guys,
My Snapchat will be on the screen. Show me, so she knows. Me mac and cheese.
I didn't know it was like a successful thing to play bingo. Yeah. Can I end the vlog? Okay, let me end it.
hey guys. Oh my god, look at my tail.
Hey y'all, so looks like you. I look fat.
This is
It looks like this.
lighting.
Oh yeah,
Oh.
hold on. Ready?
Ah, tap my screen.
Ew, I need to suck it.
Let's go get that one.
Did you start the vlog?
Yes. Hi.
What? Just like that drawer.
Did you really just take my hot Cheeto?
Hi, this has been on for 30 seconds and I'm just now talking to you. I really want some
Oh
candy.
my god, my nose.
Look at mine. Oh.
Yeah. Can you cut that out?
Yeah, I will.
Maybe in it.
Guys, I'm eating hot Cheetos with a fork. Aww.
Oh, look at my shirt, guys. Oh, Maggie, you messed it up. Look.
Stop it. Stop it.
Hey guys, welcome to a vlog.
Hi.
No, but
I want another piece of cake.
right now, we just got inside from like
We're
walking
vlogging
right now.
Yeah.
Let me put these on.
So, we've just kind of been chilling all day. Haven't done much. We swam a lot.
Hi. So we're home now.
Yeah. We
We
just got home and then we unpacked. Now we're going to get my nose pierced. Here, I'll bring it up there. Wow.
She's about to get her nose pierced. Are you scared?
Itches.
Yes.
Did he win any?
Probably like $5.
What'd he win?
I'm burnt.
Hi. So, I look really busted and I'm getting sick. But it's Monday night and we came home Sunday, so yesterday. And it's like 12:45 in the morning. So, this is what I do at almost 1 in the morning. I edit things. And we never finished this video together, so I just want to say I had a lot of fun and hope to be able to do it again one day. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and yeah, bye, love ya.